Scientists have made a discovery that could help bring about new treatments for advanced breast cancer. A new study has uncovered a group of immune cells, called immune B cells, that hunt down cancer in the body, making them successful at targeting the disease when it spreads through the body, including tumors. Findings, published in Nature Immunology, show that when a receptor on the B cell identifies a cancer cell and binds to it, the B cell changes to be even more effective at targeting those cancer cells. Researchers have developed a tool aimed at spotting these anti-cancer cells, which they say could lead to better, personalized immunotherapies for patients. Immunotherapy uses someone's own immune system to fight cancer, and works by helping it recognize and attack cancer cells. Breast cancer is the most common cancer in women in Scotland, accounting for 28% of all diagnoses, excluding non-melanoma skin cancer, according to the Scottish Public Health Observatory. In 2022 there were 4,644 patients diagnosed with breast cancer, Public Health Scotland figures report. Dr. Stephen John Sammut, first author on the study and leader of the Cancer Dynamics Group at the Institute of Cancer Research, London, ICR, said, "Once cancer spreads to other parts of the body, it's often much more difficult to treat. Our research has revealed that the immune response to cancer isn't limited to the site where a tumor initially appears. If an immune B cell is successful at detecting cancer in one part of the body, it will search for similar cancer cells elsewhere in the body." The consultant medical oncologist at the Royal Marsden NHS Foundation Trust, added, "Currently there are very few immunotherapies that can be used to treat breast cancer. The computational tool we have developed will allow us to zoom in and identify the B cells that have recognized cancer cells, as well as the antibodies they are producing. This will allow us to develop anti-cancer antibody treatments similar to the ones the B cells produce, which can then be given as a personalized treatment to boost the immune system's response against breast cancer that has spread." Scientists at the ICR, the University of Oxford and University of Cambridge, took biopsies from patients with breast cancer and identified genetic variations in the B cells. B cells are part of the immune system and produce proteins called antibodies which stick to harmful substances such as viruses and cancer, and recruit other parts of the immune system to destroy them. Join the Daily Record WhatsApp community. Get the latest news sent straight to your messages by joining our WhatsApp community today. You'll receive daily updates on breaking news as well as the top headlines across Scotland. No one will be able to see who is signed up and no one can send messages except the Daily Record team. All you have to do is click here if you're on mobile, select Join Community and you're in. If you're on a desktop, simply scan the QR code above with your phone and click Join Community. We also treat our community members to special offers, promotions, and adverts from us and our partners. If you don't like our community, you can check out anytime you like. To leave our community, click on the name at the top of your screen and choose Exit Group. If you're curious, you can read our privacy notice. The team studied the B cells of people with advanced breast cancer who had died after their cancer had spread to other parts of the body. They also looked at a group of patients with early breast cancer, as they were treated with chemotherapy over time. Some unique B cells which had changed, after identifying and targeting cancer cells, were present at multiple tumor sites the cancer had spread to, the researchers found. This means that recognizing cancer in one area of the body, B cells hunt down cancer at different sites around the body. Other B cells which were found only in one tumor site were less likely to have changed and did not perform effective cancer surveillance. The researchers used this information to develop a tool to predict which B cells were most likely to successfully detect and target cancer cells. Professor Christian Hellen, chief executive of the ICR, said, "Immunotherapies have transformed the outlook for a range of different cancers but, unfortunately, they still only work for a minority of patients. We need a greater understanding of how the immune system defends the body against cancer, and most research has, until now, focused on the role of T cells, with CAR T-cell therapy being the best-known treatment to come from that research." This study provides a fascinating insight into the role of B cells over the course of a cancer's growth and spread, and I look forward to seeing this tool used to focus efforts for the development of personalized cancer immunotherapies which could work in far more people than most existing immunotherapies. Don't miss the latest news from around Scotland and beyond. Sign up to our daily newsletter.